Hi. Since getting on Teams was a little bit of a problem for some people through email invitations the last couple of weeks, I've added this way for you to access my class Teams through the week. It's recommended, of course, that you start at the NSCC homepage and log into Office 365. If you must use Teams on a mobile app, it's okay, but it's really much easier for you if you can get access to a computer or a laptop. Once you've logged on to Office 365, look at the bottom corner for the blue icon with the T for Teams on it. If you already have Teams installed, Teams should load from this point. If it's the first time that you've been in Teams, it may ask you to download the app. When you open the app for the first time, you probably get this tile view. If that's the case, you'll have a tile for each team in which you're enrolled. So you can see tiles for all the courses I teach and tiles for teams that I'm involved in elsewhere in the college. So if you're going in through a tile, you can just click on the tile. So I'm going to click on Connie's SAS class. Or I'm just going up to my Teams profile in the corner and checking my settings. I prefer to use Teams in this list view. You may too if you try it. So now when I start Teams, I get this view. I get a better expanded menu of the teams I'm in rather than tiles. That's your choice. But same thing, I can look at Connie's SAS, but here I can see that there's a general channel with some general course information. Maybe you've explored general course information already, but there's also a channel within the team for weekly classes. When you go into one of my courses, whether it's SAS, sociology, history, communications 3, you'll see a weekly class posting. This will always, I'll try to make sure it's always near where you open, that you won't have to scroll for it. And right here, for instance, it says Com3 class occurs every Tuesday at 11. At 11 o'clock, when that class starts, it says join. So you can just click in there and join. So would that be easier than invitations every week? I think so. But do check for your invitations. When you accept them, they go into your team's calendar. So that, for instance, there are the classes I'm teaching next week and the other meetings I'm involved in. So that's a really quick look at the team's calendar and how you can join a class, a weekly class that's set up the way I've set it up. Do look at the Teams training to learn more about Teams.